Solve. Give exact answers and approximations to 3 decimal places. A referee jogs diagonally from one corner of a 50-foot by 90-foot basketball court to the far corner. How far does she jog? I've drawn a diagram in which this is the basketball court that's 90 feet by 50 feet, and this is the distance the referee jogs, which I've labeled as D. And now you see we can use the Pythagorean theorem to say that D squared would be equal to 50 squared plus 90 squared. So D squared is equal to 2,500 plus 8,100. And that means D squared is going to be equal to 10,600. And now to solve for D, we take the square root of each side. So D would be equal to the square root of 10,600. I'm only interested in the positive square root because, of course, this is a distance. Now, we're to give our answers exactly as well as approximations, and therefore what I'm going to do is simplify this particular square root. We can say that this is going to be equal to the square root of 100, which is a perfect square, times 106. And so D is equal to 10 times the square root of 106. So we can say that the exact answer is that the referee jogs 10 square roots of 106 feet, or in terms of an approximation to 3 decimal places, it's 102 and 956 thousandths feet.